In this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in Tokyo Xtreme Racer. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Open the App Data folder. If you don't see the folder, click on View, select Show. Click Hidden Items. Now open the App Data folder. Open Local. Locate the Tokyo Xtreme Racer folder and Opening. Open the Saved folder. Open the Save Games folder. Open the folder with long number. In here you will find your save files. To locate the config files, go back to the saved folder. Open Config. Open the Windows folder. In here, you will find the config file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.